Today I'm making Reuben Sliders. The Reuben is a classic American deli-style sandwich. It's made with corned beef or pastrami, Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, Russian or Thousand Island dressing, traditionally on rye bread. So you're going to need King's Hawaiian sweet rolls instead of rye bread, crispy fried onions, sauerkraut, poppy seeds, onion soup mix, butter, Russian dressing, fresh parsley, and of course the star of the recipe, corned beef, or you could use pastrami and Swiss cheese. All right, my first step is I'm going to take my Hawaiian sweet rolls and I'm going to cut them in half. So we're going to have tops and then we're going to have bottoms. Now we have our sauerkraut, which I have drained, and I'm going to put it here in my bowl. But we're going to add our sauce. I'm going to get that smaller spoon here. Saucer. So 4 slices of Swiss cheese on the bottom. Okay. Okay. Now, if you wanted to tighten them up a little bit, you could use 6 on the bottom and 6 on the layer a little bit later. Next is our sauerkraut. And we're just going to spread that around. All right, next is our corned beef. I'm going to move the dish a little closer. So I would get it sliced thin, which we did, but you know, if you want it thicker, go for it. Okay, now I'm going to do the next layer, which is Swiss cheese again. And we made it in addition to the recipe. I'm going to flatten this out a little bit. Now we're going to add crispy fried onions, which was a change in the recipe, but we saw this in the grocery store last night, so we want to add them. So I'm guessing, you know, half a cup. There's not as much in this bag as I thought there was, so okay. All right, we're going to take a minute. I got to prep for this. The top part, the glaze. Okay, now we're ready for the butter, which I've melted. The onion soup mix. And poppy seeds. And I'm going to mix, and then I'm going to pour it. Keep it mixed there. Try and spread it out. You could use a brush, of course. That I'm going to spray the underside because I don't want it to stick. Okay. And we'll put it in the oven, and it says for about 25 minutes. And now we wait. For the last part, I'm going to open the oven door, take the foil off, and then just close it back up again. It'll be 5 minutes without the foil. Ooh, it's smelling good. Okay. Okay. So this is our last step, is putting parsley on. Okay. So today I made Reuben Sliders.
Yeah, they're pretty good. We had them for the first time last week, right?
A few days ago.
Yeah, we offered half of them to some friends, so we didn't eat them all.
Beef, right? You know, and cabbage anytime, but, you know, for St. Patrick's Day, but really good.
Let's give this
we
a
were
try.
very surprised. Oh, wow. Very good. And we added the onion, the crispy fried onions. That wasn't part of the original recipe.
I'd probably cut those in half,
Okay.
the quantity of those onions.
Okay.
This is better. I like this better with half of the sauerkraut from the original recipe.
I think so too. Really tasty. So I could eat corned beef like this. I definitely, because nothing's overpowering now. Now it's definitely all working together.
I think that these crispy onions, while they're good, probably not right for this recipe.
No?
They make it a little salty.
They do make it salty.
I like the crunch they give to it, but I don't think it's needed. Let's make this again. Let's use pastrami this time instead of corned beef. Let's eliminate the onions,
Okay.
and we're going to put this video out with that one together. So stay tuned.
Ooh, suspense.
More work.
Well, we hope you like this video. We're enjoying our meal here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the notification bell. It'll notify you every time we put out a video. We hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
We'll see you with pastrami in our hands shortly. Yeah, I think, let's go to the grocery store.
No.
Yes.
No, we just went last night.
Get some pastrami.
Next time.